The word als is causing some confusion for German learners because we have three kinds of alses here. Take a look at these examples, after that it will become more clear. The first one you might encounter in A1 is the als in the meaning of as a. For example, ich arbeite als Gärtner, I work as a gardener. Or als Kind war ich klein und dünn, as a child I was small and thin. So in this way it's kind of a fixed expression, no change in sentence order. Als Kind is one element, the second element is the verb, as usual. Second possibility, als after a comparison, means then. The comparison will be covered in this course, so take a look at that video. Again, if you're not sure about this, ich bin größer als du, I am taller than you. This just requires a little bit of practice. The third point, als can introduce a temporal side clause. One example, and then it means when or if. Als ich nach Hause kam, schlief er. When I came home, he was sleeping. Er sieht aus, als ob krank wäre. He looks as if he was sick. So you see, it could mean when or if, and this needs a bit more practice, but I think you can differentiate pretty clearly now the three different kinds of als.